Hello, I'm Colin from Drone on Aerial Media, and for months now I've been wanting to do a video on the 10 best cinematic shots you can do with a drone, or in my opinion something that will enhance your videos. But I've decided to change that idea and I'm going to do a weekly thing of the best cinematic shots that you can do with the drone. So come with me and we'll make a start. Oh, seatbelt. I can't get out. So this shot hasn't really got a name. I'll call it my signature shot. It's a shot I like to get if I'm filming something like a church, which is where I am now, or a castle or a stately home, if it's possible to do so. So without further ado, we'll start. So the first thing I want to do is start the drone up, and because the final shot is going to be a top-down shot from above the tower, I need to go up and first of all frame that shot. So I'm going to go right above the tower, bring the camera down. I'm going to go even further than that, a little bit closer, and that's going to be my final shot there. So I need to make a note of the height I'm at, which is 39 meters. I'm actually going to go up to 40 just to make it easier. So that's where I'm going to start. Now I normally do this shot manually, but what I'm going to do is get that in position. I'm actually going to use waypoints for this one. The automatic modes are there, so you might as well use them. So now what I need to do is bring the drone down as low as possible. So I'm going to be starting there, and I need to put the camera straight up like that. Let's see if I can come down a bit more. And now I'm going to go into waypoints, so press that there. We'll set a waypoint there by pressing the C1 button, which is the one behind here. So I'm starting, it's not actually showing the height I'm at the moment. I reckon I'm about 2 meters. So if I take that away from 40, which is my target altitude, that's 38, so half of 38 is 19. Add 2, 21, so I want to be around about 21 meters for the second waypoint. Now if I go up for the second waypoint, round about there, bring the camera level, round about there, make that the second waypoint, and then go back up for my final shot. That's the final shot. Frame that a little bit better, make that the third waypoint. I was terrible at maths at school. If I had £1 for every maths exam I failed, I'd have £9.37 now. Right, press next. The speed 2.5. I want a little bit quicker than that. Let's go up to about 5 meters a second. And then we'll just press go. The drone should then come back down. Which it is at the moment. It's not going to hit anything. Press record. I like to press record just before it starts, so I've got that little bit of leeway either way. And that's it. I'll cancel return to home and we can edit that shot in post, and these are the results. I hope you enjoyed that one. Obviously you can make your own variations and go play, and I'll see you in the next one.